Alright, so we are at the gas station. We're gonna be heading home soon. So, we're gonna be heading home soon. So, should be a good ride. You got 2 bags of chips. Alright, so we're at the rest stop. We've been driving for about 3 hours now. Aaron slept the whole time. Kaison's been awake watching movies. Kim slept a little bit and then woke up. So now we're just relaxing a little bit. I was falling asleep because there was so much damn traffic that I'm tired. I'm tired from all those days we were there too. We're all kind of tired. We're trying to hang in there just to get home for a little bit. But yeah, I can't wait to see the dogs. The dogs have been missing us. I guess Leslie's mom has been showing the videos to them and they just sit there and watch us. So I can't wait to see them. We're gonna be going back to Fresno to visit my dad though for a little bit, and I have some gifts for my sister, so I'm gonna be giving them to her. But after that, we're gonna drop off Sam and then be on our way back home. So after visiting my friend Justin and my dad and my sister, it's time to go visit my mom. So we're gonna visit my mom, see if her tombstone needs any cleaning, and we're gonna spend some time here just talking to her. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned a little bit. So it's right here. As you can see, super dirty. Sprinklers came on, so we're gonna clean it up a little bit with some water.
I know, yeah. Dad and Sam are wearing the same shoes. Bad and fire ants. Right now. Which one? This foot. This. No. I feel it.
Kaeson, never got to meet her because she was born a long time after she passed. And for us, we knew her when we were little, but she passed on.
Alright, so now it's cleaned. And now we're just gonna chill here for a little bit. Hopefully not get bit by ants. And then we'll head home. Oh, we gotta drop Sam off. Alright, so we finally dropped off Sam after visiting my mom. And Sam, where can they find you on Instagram and name all your socials?
I guess sarcastic remarks Sam on Instagram.
Yeah! Now, make sure to tell cousin Sam bye, or nephew Sam bye, okay guys? I'm just used to my kids calling him that now. His nephew Sam, make sure to tell him bye. Check him out on Instagram, he posts some pretty awesome stuff. But bye Sam.
I'm like, I rarely do, I'm a fucking hermit coming on that.
So we're at our last rest stop before we go home, and just taking a quick stretch. After this, we should be home maybe in about an hour or so, and then we'll be able to finally sleep our own beds. Dude, driving is so exhausting, man. But you know what? This whole week was worth it. It was a lot of fun. The kids really seem to enjoy themselves. They go home in about 4 more days. Yeah, they go home in about 4 more days. Oh man, it was fun this weekend. I know Aaron had a lot of fun. I'm so proud of Aaron, man. Like, he overcame his fear of roller coasters a little bit. Like, he didn't want to get on any of the rides, and then once he started getting comfortable, he started wanting to go on one more, and I'm so proud of him. Kim had fun too. Just seeing Kim be able to have some fun out there too. Kaisen is just crazy. He's a crazy kid. He went on roller coasters and everything already. It was crazy, man. To top it off too, is like, we came back to Fresno, we visited my dad and my disabled sister. We got her some gifts, so that was pretty nice. We got her a blanket and a sleeping mini that she can use as a pillow. We ate some pizza, and the cool thing too is, like, I got to take the kids to see their grandma's grave. They hardly ever come, and like when they do come, we never really go to Fresno. I don't really like going to Fresno, even though it's my home. I just don't like it. I don't like being there. Like, when I do go there, I just feel so depressed, man. I just hate it. Mainly for the fact that I guess everything bad has happened over there. and that just sucks. You know, you never want to go anywhere where you have bad memories. But my family all lives there, and it was nice to see my dad, my stepdad. It was nice to see him. He's taking care of my sister, so he doesn't really get to go out or have a social life, and he's really scared. So he doesn't want to get my disabled sister sick because her immune system is really, really bad. But you know, it's good for the kids to see him, and when he's seen the kids, they're like, man, they're so big. So that was really nice to see, man. Tendo! Nike! Tendo Bendo, baby! Hi, Tendo! Hi! I haven't seen you in a week, bud. Hi! Hi, little Nike! Hi, Tendo! Oh, look at the hugs! Look at the hugs! Look at the hugs! Tendo, come here! Come here! I want to love you! Come here! Where'd you go? Go, go, go! Where'd you go, Tendo? Where'd you go, Tendo? Where'd you go, Tendo? No, we want to love you, Tendo! We got him! We got Tendo!
Yeah, she stuck him up for me.
What? You still smell good. We gave him a bath before we left. Hi, my mini Tendo. He wanted us to chase him as soon as we seen him. Where you guys going? Come back over here. Hi. Bye. Hi, Nikki. Good morning, everyone. Kaeson has lost his first tooth, and we have to pull out the second one. And he's crying, so we're gonna attempt to pull out. Don't worry, Kaeson. The tooth fairy's gonna give you Robux, okay? She's gonna give you Robux.
You'll get cash.
Okay?
And Robux.
And Aaron's here for moral support. Here we go. Let me see. Show people teeth. Smile. That's his first tooth. All right, you okay, doo-doo? All right, you ready?
Are you wiggling it?
Yeah, wiggle it.
I think he's just touching the hole.
Oh.
Wiggle it. There you go.
Look at axolotls, okay? Okay.
Why are you flipping us off for? You wiggling your teeth?
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it, Kaeson. I believe in you, doo-doo.
We all believe in you, doo-doo. Come on, you can do it, doo-doo. Doo-doo.
Mommy's there for moral support. What happened, Kaeson? Tell him what happened.
My teeth are
Your teeth fell out? Show him, let me see. Hold on, wait, let me see. Yay, let me see. Smile. Let me see. Wow, my baby. He's getting his big boy teeth, huh? Yeah. And let me see. Those are your teeth right there?
Yeah.
Now he's gonna get visited by the Robux fairy. What?
We're gonna put this under
Yay!
your pillow.
Good. Alright, well that's gonna do it for us, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment what was your guys' favorite part of the video. And we'll see you guys later.
Nikes.
Tell them bye, Nike.
Bye, guys.
Tendo, tell them bye. Tendo, love me.
Okay.